Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now I'm repainting these two cars. This is the Holden 48215 from Matchbox. We'll see clearly when I have finished repainting. And this is the Corgi van. I just need to repaint the front part, so I mask the rear part. So join me later. And we are back and the paint has dry and I've put the car back. First we look at the van. Eddie Stobart Limited roadside maintenance. Now in the beginning of the video I masked the whole of the van except the front part, and I paint it green. I don't have the exact dark green, but mine is lighter. And I paint just the bumper because there is a lot of paint loss over there. The rest of the car is still good, and it's a Corgi made in China. So this is a later Corgi when they moved the production to China. And for the red van is a Matchbox, a Holden FJ Holden panel van made in Thailand. The Holden FJ is from the 1950s, 1960s. Yeah, but this Matchbox is made in Thailand, so it's not that old. And I plan to find some stickers and put it here. Maybe Matchbox. Yeah. So thank you for watching this repainting video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.